Welcome to JH. In this guide, I'll demonstrate how to upload your Canva creations directly to Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. This method is ideal for creators looking to distribute content across various networks quickly, bypassing the need to download and re-upload files manually. Let's begin by opening your project in Canva. Once your work is ready, navigate to the upper right corner and select the Share button. This action triggers a menu containing several distribution pathways for your project. Next, choose the See All option to view the full range of direct sharing features Canva offers. It's a great way to manage all your social outlets from one interface. Scroll down to the Social category, where you will find icons for Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. For this example, click on Instagram. This highlights how easily Canva integrates with different social platforms. After picking Instagram, select the Immediately Post prompt if you want your content to go live right away. Press Continue to proceed through the setup and ensure your post is configured correctly. If you are using the Canva mobile application, you can also scan a QR code to publish to Instagram from your phone, which is perfect for creators on the move. If you aren't ready to go live yet, select the Schedule Post feature instead. This is an excellent tool for organizing your content calendar and maintaining a steady presence online. Hit Continue again to confirm your settings. Keep in mind that to post on Instagram or link it with a Facebook page, you must use an Instagram business account. You can switch to this in your Instagram settings to enable direct integration with Facebook. That is the most efficient way to get your Canva designs onto your social feeds. Whether you post now or schedule for later, these tools help you reach your audience effortlessly. Enjoy your designing and sharing.